Everybody, this is Alex from Keene on the Market giving you your Friday, May 18th market recap. Another bloodbath today. You know, everybody was talking about Facebook. I had to turn off the TV so I could just get away from that word for a few hours. I was just so over hearing the word Facebook. I'm pretty much convinced I should go cancel my account right now. But that's beside the point. Let's take a look at the profile today. You can see that yesterday's value area low, 1310. That was actually a very good area to short today. You can see here, right at 10 a.m., 1310 was a perfect pivot point for a short. So that's why I like to show these value area low, value area high point of controls, because those are really good pivot points. So for Monday, the point of control is 1304. The value area high is 1307, and the value area low is 1296. Again, if we are opening beneath the value area low, it's a bearish sign for the day. I usually look for short sales. If we open within the value area, I kind of look for pivots around the point of control, and if we open above the value area high, 1304, then I'm usually looking for longs. So that's how I would play that. We talk about this a lot in the live trading room. Let's go over kind of the dailies. This bear flag that I've been talking about, you know, we actually hit the target yesterday. My initial notion that we were going to flurry through there and possibly bounce. You know, we bounced a little bit today, but, you know, there was just further selling. I really don't see a bottom here. I have around this 200-day moving average, there's a lot of Fibonacci confluence zones. So between 280, 265, I think we're going to see something, but I'm not in the business of picking bottoms. So, you know, right now, intraday, I think every rally should be sold. Additionally, let's take a look at the daily with the candlestick charts. We've been in a firm sell signal since we crossed the Ichimoku cloud to the downside here on the 9th, and we've been just following through. We've gotten a lot of closes on the lows of the day, so that's very bearish. It's just, you know, people need to unload stock. There's supply coming onto the market. None of these previous support lines have really held, so, you know, I'm pretty much going to delete them, you know, and assume that we are in a strong downtrend. The one indicator that I've been playing around for a few days, few weeks, and it looks pretty good as far as indicating good oversold sentiment areas is the sentiment zone oscillator. It's a relatively new indicator. This one is pretty oversold at this point, so it's not saying to buy. It's just saying we're ripe for a possible bounce. I would not play this as a buy signal. I would only use it for overbought to sell again. So I mean, we're getting close. We're getting close. That's all I got to say for that. Let's take a look at the Facebook, I guess, because, you know, that was what we were all looking for today. On the dailies, a disaster bar, you know, opened, traded a little higher, and, you know, just proceeded to tank. You can also see today's price action was a little bit boring. You know, there was so much volume, it was incredibly hard to really read the tape. The three key levels that I see, I know there was a huge bid offer right here at 40 even, and right here at 38. This is going to be very key, and then obviously 42. Those three zones pivot going forward are probably going to be the most important. Right now, Facebook could be, you know, farther than anything I really care about right now. Crude, again, really weak. I kind of called for the support down near 90, and we're just, you know, we're just not finding it here. There's just liquidating a lot of oil contracts, selling ahead of it. You know, at a certain point, this is very bearish because, you know, it just shows the worldwide demand is not there, and we could be going to some type of global slowdown. This again too is showing a possible oversold situation, but no divergences yet. So, you know, to the downside we go. This is actually continuation through these couple little doji spinning tops we have. So again, firmly to the downside. The euro had a bullish engulfing day off of this key support zone. we had this zone down here. It didn't really define any key level, just a zone around 27.5. This is where this zone oscillator really kind of helps. There's just a little bit of divergence here, and that's what kind of spurred possibly this little oversold bounce. Any rally, in my mind, is to be sold in the euro. Right now, the trend is very strong. I'm looking for a rally. If up to 29.10 gets hit, I'll be selling aggressively. This would be up to the Tenkan-san, Kijun-san area for the euro. Let's take a look at one more gold. A lot of the miners actually started to find a bottom. The GDXJ is suffering a lot. You can see that we've had two nice little bullish bar days. Found a little bit of resistance at the Tenkan-san level. If we get one more outside bullish day, it would consist of 3 wide soldiers, so that would be a very bullish sign for going forward. Again, the seasonals point to favorable upside for the gold and silver markets going forward. Again, you can get all this information, live trading, technical analysis sessions in the trading room at KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Please contact our sales department, sales@KeeneOnTheMarket, if you have any questions. And we have a webinar coming up, so if you want to go to our website, we have information there. Andrew's going to be giving a presentation on how he uses unusual option activity and how he reads option order flow to strategize trades and control risk. So until Monday, happy Friday, guys, and have a good weekend.